Kain tayo mga tibok hapunan. Ulam natin, kalderetang manok. Thank you for Lord sa food. Kain po tayo. Gabi ang ating vlog. Oh. Huwag kamay kaya. Kain po.
And then we have all those buwan. Sa ating solar panel, kailangan mo. So, you have to use it. You have to use it. So, sabi niya, kailangan natin gagawin ba? Now, everything you see dito sa baba is new. Yeah. But when we go up, we can see the head. Oh my God! Original house. So, it's sort of yes. Oh my God! Yan, ito sa mga kanya, may mix nila luto. Yes! She see almost everything. This came from the old house. Even the city. Hindi, ito ba? No, ano yan eh? Ganito to. Engineered motor. Pinaliwanag ko ni Father John. Okay. Ay, hindi inaan. Yes, and then, of course, you got to check out that dito. Tapos I personally love travelers. And then, yeah. Nakita na ako. So, nakikinig ka sa kasuyan na ako ng hardwood. Ang ganda na actually sa furniture. You know when we first started this to the end, right? So, hindi ka nagkasa, nilalagay nila yung furniture na binili natin sa restoration hardware. Ito, hindi ko makita kung yung ginawa niya. So, yung makita ko lang na furniture na, yun at is actually was on the downstairs. Kasi ang sabi naman sa amin, pag immense place, doon. Oo, pinala-share talaga. Pero nakikita ko parang lang yung pagod sa babae na, pero yes. So, we go in yung mga furniture. Yes. Okay. Kaya wala pa akong kilala. Pero siya, grabe ang ganda ng pag-pista. Yes, that's from the old house. So, hindi naman naman. So, nag-preserve that came to our old house. Even the real size. Yes. In your bed, of course, it comes with room. Oh, yes, my God, that's good. Kasi may bed space. Wow, yes. It was not a few days out. And then later, before it's content, so I have a blog coming out about the design process. What's the design process? I found out 34 parts from one of the best architects in the Philippines. Si Conrad Ola. Ako yung kind of person. Kasi siya ako, you pay one thing. Kung wala ko, ay not just so good. Ako din, personal connection with you. Pero for the bride, Siya kami sa namin sa loob. Very much change yung records na after the wedding sa church. Pero she will change. Yeah. I think you look for mga yung parang and then syempre kung nakakalaman talaga topic. Ayun pas scenario ni Conrad. I think just keep going. Maybe talk about Conrad connection. This is really nice. Vintage. Find a din. Lumang kita. From our father Oh, okay.
Market for weddings.
Yes. And of course, it has to be priced in Thailand. So we have introductory prices and packages for everyone.
Yeah.
But we accept small ones. If it's a smaller party, syempre hindi kasama na yung boobies and aspect, you know, we can use the air conditioner sa diba? And then, for 100, kasama na dapat yung ladies who shares ng catering.
Wow, so that's good. If you're planning a small wedding, it's here.
Yes, kasi nga, you can make use of this space for your it's all yours. This work in 4 hours. Yeah, you can have people on that. Hindi ko alam kung mag-break ang sumakit. May ka namin kung mas nakakata.
So, okay, how beautiful. Okay, you guys can read. Hi! That's Sasha. So impressed ka naman.
Yes, so, but
You can also inspiration. It's from